Welcome back to another new video, guys. So today in this video I'm going to show you where you can find armadillos in Minecraft new version 1.21. Armadillos can be found in two types of biomes, including badland and savanna. This includes all the variants like eroded badlands, wooded badlands, windswept savanna, savanna plateau, and regular badlands. They spawn in warm biomes but not in deserts. If you're having trouble finding a badlands or savanna biome, try traveling by a boat and look for lukewarm or warm ocean biomes, as these often appear near the ones where armadillos spawn. Warm oceans are easily able to be spotted because they often have a greenish blue color and have coral blocks inside. Lukewarm oceans have a lighter blue shade. How armadillos behave. So armadillos will hide in their shells if you're sprinting and riding a mount, just like this, or in a vehicle like a boat near them. They'll come out of your shells if you attach a lead to them, like this, and they'll follow you, just like this. Or what you can do is remove the lead and hold a spider eye. They will easily follow you if you're holding a spider eye. In Java Edition, they follow players holding a spider eye up to 10 blocks, and in Bedrock Edition, the range is 16 blocks. So why should you guys get a armadillo? We can use armadillos to get armadillo scut, or what we can do is basically we can use them to fend off spiders. Spiders don't come close to armadillos. That's pretty much for this video, guys. If you guys liked it, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.